done making a video because I just found out that I can do that. So here is a birthday video. I wrote you a letter, but I'm just going to read it out loud. So, Dear Brian, you are definitely the greatest person I've ever met. You make my heart melt every day, and as painful as that sounds, it's a good thing. An amazing thing, actually. I love you more than I could ever tell you, and I don't know if you can tell, but I'm starting to blush. I can't believe that I'm lucky enough to be starting a family with you. You're everything to me, and I want you to just hurry up and come be with me already, forever. I love you a lot. Happy birthday.